Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 30th, 2024, almost end of the month. We have here already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's a binary time. Binary time, and this one will be number 7904. Yeah, 7904. Before I start, I always count the printed digits, 17 printed digits. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. In this additional, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.